boat to successfully master extreme situations. In a storm, a boat can usually stand the elements. It's the human that is the weakest link in the chain. So it is more than essential to work as a team. It's the team that leads to success. It is about how we work together, the values that we have and live, the values that make us stronger together to achieve our goals. Responsibility, trust, transparency, openness, and appreciation.
In 2018, I took a sabbatical to pursue my dream, exploring the world on a sailboat with a piano and composing music on the wave.
On this journey, I realized once more the importance of values for myself and for the team, especially when it comes to challenging situations.
In the next minutes, I would like to show you what these values mean to me, taking the example of one of the biggest challenges on this journey, crossing the Atlantic Ocean.
When I am on watch and the crew is asleep, I have the full responsibility. I am responsible of the safety of the boat and the crew every single second. Our lives depend on my ability to pay continuous attention to what happens at sea. On the other hand, I have to trust my crew that they can take care of my safety and the safety of the boat. They take over my watch and I go to bed. I need to sleep to be ready for my next watch. I close my eyes and relax. Being at sea, separated from life on land, we try to make our trip across the ocean as transparent as possible to the outside. We regularly share our location and send update emails on a daily basis for family and friends so that they know that we are safe. And also in case of emergency, they know where we are.
Today we celebrate halfway done, sailing along with 18 to 20 knots of wind from northwest. Everything's fine.
Hey, cool. They're halfway done.
Working in a transparent way, we make things way easier on the go. Within the team, we plan our route together, discuss the safest passages, study weather data, and also take decisions as a team. We are always open for every opinion and doubts along the way. Every team member has a voice. We are open for change. And everyone has the right to be open to the team in case he or she doesn't feel all right. That's human. That's okay. And we never have to forget to appreciate what we have achieved. It can be just a little thing. For example, a delicious meal on a stormy day, still made with love, while the boat was rolling from one side to the other. And we should celebrate the milestones, the first sight of land, the relief, the thousands of miles behind us. And most importantly, we should always celebrate ourselves, every member of the team and the team itself. We won't have been able to achieve this alone. We are stronger together. In challenging situations, our values make us stronger. Not only on the Atlantic, but also at work and in daily life. We are stronger together.